Right, people, king review of Ribena drink today. So what is Ribena drink? Ribena is a blackcurrant drink that you can drink. You can either buy a bottle of it, fully concentrated 100% blackcurrant juice, which is something you don't want to drink. You want to drink it after you've diluted it. Or you can buy their diluted version of it with the water included, so you just go gulp, 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 and it can be in a cardboard container or plastic or whatever. You can see it in the shops all the time. So, because it's a diluted drink, I've stuck it into two different concentrations. So this is the stronger one. Stronger is in more of the blackcurrant, and this one's weaker, less blackcurrant compared to water. So this one's got more blackcurrant than water. This one's got more water than blackcurrant. So there you go. You might be able to tell the difference from the eye. It's actually really similar, but this one, it gets more reddy rather than dark, dark, dark. This one's still pinky. I'll put them really close, but that's a beautiful colour. That is a beautiful colour. That one, it's more of a pinky stink colour. So taste test, that's first. So let's see. So if you have it diluted down a lot, like you could, obviously there's going to be a million different concentrations you can have of this, because if you have 1 milliliter of water and a billion blackcurrant milliliters and then put it up to 2 milliliters, you can have so many different combinations. I'm just picking the two rough ones. I filled this one up to here with blackcurrant, there with water. Let's drink. Yum. I recommend this one. You've sprinted a lot or you've had a hard day's work, drink this because it's a lot of water in it. Wow, it really quenches the thirst, and it's got a little bit of flavour, so you're not just drinking water. I love water, but you know, sometimes it's nice to have a little bit of flavour. Wow. So a little bit of flavour is nice. It's nice when it's not really heavily concentrated. There's a little bit of flavour and it's beautiful. Right, so that's the not very concentrated one. This one has about up to here with blackcurrant. Ribena. It's blackcurrant juice, but it's called Ribena. Let's drink. Wow, not as watery. Doesn't really quench your thirst. You drink it. It's more like a drink, like a thick drink. This is, I think, closer to what the one you get in the bottles like, because there's a lot more flavour in this one, as you can tell from the darkness. It means it's a lot more concentrated, but that's what you expect. And the taste you're getting from this is beautiful. It's a beautiful taste, but after a couple of sips you're thinking, maybe it's a little bit too concentrated, so then you put a little bit more water in it, and you're like, I put too much water in, so then you put a little bit of Ribena in it. That's my only negative. It takes so long to get the perfect concentration, because I'd be standing at the tap for about, how long? No, I'm not going to say 5 minutes, but you know, maybe 30 seconds trying to get the mixture between them right. Pour a little bit of Ribena and go. Too strong. This one's actually a little bit too strong for me, but the taste is beautiful when you do get the perfect concentration. But that's the only negative. It takes too long, and it's like you're crafting a beer or something, or a strong whiskey. So you have to spend a lot of time getting the exact measurements. You can probably get like a measuring jug, and then when you find the perfect one, measure the amounts of whatever you put into each, and then know to do that from now on, or from then on, because that would be beautiful if you had the perfect mix every time. Beautiful. So let's break it down. Positives and negatives. Positives. Say, some of these positives you could say, well, that works for any blackcurrant juice. You can have a range of different concentrations to suit all of your needs. So that's beautiful. Beautiful. What else? Range of concentrations. That's one. 2. Beautiful look. It looks beautiful when it's in the dark concentrated area. It smells nice. Like, get a whiff of that. The bottles are good. When you get a bottle of Ribena, you know it's going to be a good day. The colour's nice, the smell's nice, concentrations are nice. And the taste is beautiful. It's got a nice strong blackcurranty taste. It doesn't stay in your mouth for a year. So if you do accidentally make it too strong, it's not going to haunt you to death and keep poisoning you. Unless you drink it straight. A straight Ribena would probably stay in your mouth and kill you. Strong flavour. Still liquidy. Stays for a couple of seconds. Flavour slowly decreases in intensity. And then it leaves. Yeah. And then if you want something just to drink, you're thirsty. You've just played 6 hours of Beat Saber non-stop. And you get a chug of water. Wow, refreshing with a little bit of flavour. The flavour's not as nice because it's not as concentrated of Ribena, but it's still beautiful. So wow, beautiful. So the grade for Ribena is, this is the scale, the grade scale. A grade for Ribena. Ribena is beautiful. Beautiful. So that's all I'm going to say now. Ribena is beautiful, and I think good work to the Ribena. Yeah. So A grade, I recommend drinking it. You can buy the little tubs if you want, or you can buy the big bottles of fully concentrated. And yeah, there you go. Thank you for accepting my opinion, or rejecting it. Depends what you did, I don't know. And yeah, cheerio.